and give a warm applause for Fatima.
Good evening. Shumaji, tonight I would like to offer this dance piece called Ardhanarishwara Ashtakam. Ardha means half, Nari means women, and Ashtakam is a group of 8 verses. The Ardhanarishwara Ashtakam celebrates Shiva, where one half of his body represents Parvati, and the other half represents Shiva. Both Parvati and Shiva come together in one body. The Ardhanarishwara has a very deep significance. Parvati is the creator and Shiva is the dissolver. They both need each other to coexist because neither can exist without the other. Parvati needs to create if Shiva needs to dissolve, and Shiva needs to dissolve if Parvati needs to create. So in this way, Parvati and Shiva maintain this crucial balance of creation and dissolution. And that is why we say that they are one. These beautiful verses, which are incorporated in the dance, have been written by the great saint poet Sri Adi Shankaracharya. And the dance starts, so it is divided in segments. I just will introduce the different parts so that you can follow. It starts with a verse written by sage Kalidasa, where he gives a beautiful metaphor to illustrate the oneness of Shiva and Parvati. He says, the word and its meaning have to coexist. They cannot be separated. Just like Parvati and Shiva, the universal parents whom I bow to and who are one in the cycle of creation and destruction. Then Then there is a pure dance movement section where the right side of the body depicts Shiva with sharp movements and the left side depicts Parvati with more rounded movements. So the first verse, written by Adi Shankaracharya, says, she is smeared, her body is smeared with the fragrance of the champa flower. And he has the fragrance of camphor. She has beautiful, soft locks, and he has unruly tresses. Salutations to she, Parvati, salutations to he, Shiva. She is adorned with the musk and the vermilion powder. He is adorned with the fire from the funeral pyre. She has the look and the smile of creation. He has the menacing look of destruction. She has lovely tinkling sounding bells as her anklets. He has the king of snakes adorning his ankles. She has beautiful bracelets around her wrists. He has snakes adorning his wrists. She is adorned with a garland of mandara flowers. And he has a garland of skulls. She's adorned with beautiful fine clothes. He is Digambaraya, means he is bare. She has soft, luscious locks, the color of the dark clouds. And he has tresses, like lightning, the color of copper. She is the goddess of mountain. He is the god of mountains. She has precious stone-studded earrings around on her ears, adorning her ears, and he has serpents adorning his ears. She who merges in him, he who merges in her. This is the symbol of the Shiva Lingam. She who represents creation, he who represents dissolution. She who manifests the whole creation. And here starts the Lasya dance of Parvati, which is the dance of creation, where, as you know, she's the creator and she's at the origin of everything. She gives birth, she nourishes, she creates the flowers, the bees, the peacocks, the deers, the elephants, and the birds. And then follows a Tandava, which is a dance of destruction of Lord Shiva. And at the end, sage Adi Shankaracharya says, to this Parvati and to this Shiva, Parvati, Shiva, the universal parents, I offer my salutations. Ardhanarishwara Ashtakam. The music has been composed in Raga Megh in Aditalam by O.S. Arun, and the choreography is from my guru, Rama Vaidyanathan. Thank you.
वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगत पितरो वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरो वन्दे
ta di ta ri ta jam di ta ri ta jam ta ri ta jam ri ta jam ta ding ge na tum ta ta ding ge na tum ta ta ding ge na tum
सा रे ने रे सा रे ने रे सा रे सा रे सा सा रे मा पा
tatti tajam, di tatti tajam, tatti tajam, ri tajam, tadding ginna tum ta, tadding ginna tum ta, tadding ginna tum
sa ri ni ni ri sa ri ni ni ri sa ni ri sa ni ri sa sa ri ma pa ni sa ni pa ma ri sa ni ma pa ni sa ri sa ni ni ri sa ni ni ri sa ni ri sa ni ri sa sa ri ma pa ni sa ni pa ma ni sa ni
tadding ginna
ni sa ni ni ri sa ni ni ri sa ni ri sa ni ri sa ni pa ma ni sa ni pa ma ni sa tadding ginna sa ni ni ri sa ni ni ri sa ni ri sa ni ri sa ni pa ma ni sa ni pa ma ni sa
tadding ginna
ni ni ri sa ni ni ri sa ni ri sa ni ri sa ni pa ma ni sa ni pa ma ni sa
tadding ginna tadding ginna tadding ginna tadding ginna tadding pa ma ni sa tadding ginna tadding ginna தாங்கிடு தத்தின் தின்னா தத்தக்கிட்ட தக தின் தின்னா தக்கத்திக்கு கிடக்கு தருகிடும் தக்கத்திக்கு கிடக்கு தருகிடும் தக்கத்திக்கு கிடக்கு தருகிடும் தாங்கிடு தத்தின் தின்னா தத்தக்கிட்ட தக தின் தின்னா தக்கத்திக்கு கிடக்கு தருகிடும் தக்கத்திக்கு கிடக்கு தருகிடும் தக்கத்திக்கு கிடக்கு தருகிடும் தாங்கிடு தத்தின் தின்னா தத்தக்கிட்ட தக தின் தின்னா தக்கத்திக்கு கிடக்கு தருகிடும் தக்கத்திக்கு கிடக்கு தருகிடும் தக்கத்திக்கு கிடக்கு தருகிடும்
பார்வதி பரமேஸ்வரோ चाम्पेय गौरार्ध शरीरकायै कर्पूर गौरार्ध शरीरकाय चाम्पेय गौरार्ध शरीरकायै कर्पूर गौरार्ध शरीरकाय ब्रह्मिल्लकायै च जटाधराय ब्रह्मिल्लकायै च जटाधराय नमः शिवाय च नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय च नमः शिवाय सृष्ट्युन्मुख लास्यकायै समस्त संहारक ताण्डवाय समस्त संहारक ताण्डवाय
तक्जम ता दी तत्त जिता न तत्त नत्ता दी विण तुंता तत्त जिता तत्त नत्ता तज्जुनु ता तज्जि नित्तक्जम ता दी तत्त जिता न तत्त नत्ता दी विण तुंता तत्त जिता तत्त नत्ता तज्जुनु ता तज्जि नि तत्त दी तत्त न तज्जुनु तज्जि मित्तक्जम ता दी तक्जम ता दी तक्जम ता तक्जम
जगजनन्यै जगदेक पित्रे जगजनन्यै जगदेक पित्रे जगजनन्यै जगदेक पित्रे जगजनन्यै जगदेक पित्रे